A bomb exploded at the residence of an executive engineer Athokpam Dorendro of Kaisamthong Thangjam Leirak last night around 9 p.m. However, no one was injured in the explosion. Top officials of Manipur Police and Bomb Disposal Squad inspected the site. The third annual meeting for Meitei Presbyterian Singlup Synod concluded yesterday at Presbyterian Church at Presbyterian Mission Compound, Moirang. The 3-day annual meet was organized by Meitei Presbyterian Singlup Synod at the Presbyterian Church of India. Prime Minister Narendra Modi in his radio program Man Ki Baat on Republic Day lauded the Bru Refugee Agreement as the best example of cooperative federalism. As per the agreement signed on January 17, 2020, the 34,000-strong community that fled Mizoram and was living in camps in Tripura will be rehabilitated in Tripura. Air India announced its plan to sell its entire stake in Air India in a revised push to sell its national carrier after an initial attempt to sell a majority stake in the airline failed to draw a single bid in 2018. As per media reports, a document inviting expressions of interest in Air India, which was released today, said India would sell 100% stake in the carrier, which operates both domestic and international routes. China extended its Lunar New Year holiday 3 more days to discourage people from traveling as it tries to contain the spread of a viral illness that has caused 80 deaths, the government said today. As per media reports, the National Health Commission announced there were 2,744 confirmed cases by last midnight.